we're going to be going for some casts in the cast net and with our flies. Hopefully we can catch some stuff. Ooh. Oh, we got one, guys. Look at that. We'll try getting that. Problem with these guys is they always get stuck in the holes. We'll try getting out though. There we go. This is what he looks like, guys. Look at that precious thing.
It's a chunky one.
Oh, it's pretty chunky. Get one more cast, and then I'm gonna have a shot with my fly rod and hopefully get some action. It's not an actual fly rod, I've just got this little rod and I made my own fly lure, so did my friend. Yeah, let's go for one more cast and then we'll see if we can catch something with a fly rod. Oh, we got some, guys. Oh, look at that. Oh, that was a fresh one. He just escaped.
We just have to be really careful.
Yeah, you got to be careful because these ones,
We don't want to.
I want to rip his gills.
I don't know.
Shake it.
Oh, I don't know if this little guy's gonna survive. It's just that. Wait.
He looks like he's out.
There we go.
There we go, guys. So we caught 2 of them in one cast. Look at that beauty. Look at her. Bye, girl. I'm gonna go for a shot on the fly rod and see if I get some action. Yeah. I just switched it up a bit. I put on some bait instead. I had no luck on the fly rod off camera. But my friend's targeting an eel. I just caught a fish with some bait on. So hopefully I can catch another one on camera. My friend's got a bobber out with a tail of a fish on. Not too big, but I'm gonna cast mine out and hopefully I can catch one. I just caught a freshwater tarpon in this creek in that cast net. Look at that beauty.
Let me get a release on it.
Yeah, we'll get a release on that beauty. That is lovely. Up on, guys. I'll get a video of my friend cast netting. Rod's just set up over there, bobbers.
That was right next to the structure.
Yeah, my friend casted just out there. We've got our rod set up over there while we're casting.
Okay, this cast is still pretty weird, guys.
It's only a 6-foot cast net, and we've been having pretty good luck in this creek.
This might not be the best cast, guys, but we'll just...
Might not be the best cast, but we'll just have to go with it, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, it was pretty nice.
Just the tip is to reel it in really slowly so that they don't get their heads poked through the net piece. That's how...
Didn't got any of that through?
No. I will go for another one, guys.
Yeah, we'll go for a couple more.
I wonder if this line's going to tangle me.
The line might tangle, yeah. We got tangled in the line, so... This creek runs down pretty far. There's a tunnel over there, but it runs down pretty far over there.
Okay guys, ready?
That was pretty nice and far out, and it was oval, so it looked like it covered a bunch of ground.
Okay, let's pull it in. Let's pull it in. Ooh, I don't think we got anything, guys.
Nothing in that cost either.
Let's go for a different area.
Your line just got picked up. My friend's line over there, it looked like it just got a bite because...
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's bobbers. Oh, there's bobbers getting bites, guys. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's flopping up and down. We might have something. There might be something just nibbling it, or we might have something on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's getting nibbles. Okay, closer up. The bubble is going under. I'll check my rod.
No.
Didn't catch any. Oh, guys, we got one on. Take that. We got one on, guys. Woo! Look at that, guys. I'll unhook him. Oh, looks like a gudgeon. Swallowed it a bit, so I might have to use my pliers, but it's a nice gudgeon. I'll unhook him anyway, that's it. I just got some bite on my rod off camera, guys. I'm gonna go check it and hopefully we got something. Oh, we got one, guys. We got one. Oh, look at that. It's pretty big. Oh, we'll try a good hook too. Look at that, baby. I'll unhook him. I unhooked him, guys. Look at that beauty. Bye, bud. That was a nice one too. Chuck my rod back out and hopefully we get another one. We're just about to check the rod, guys.
Alright, let's
Oh,
check
the
it.
line's pretty tight.
Oh my god.
Holy.
So, oh my god.
Oh, we got big one. Oh, guys, we got big one. Big one. Holy.
Oh, we can.
It's an eel.
Look at this guy.
Guys, look at that.
Oh my god.
Holy.
Okay, guys.
I'm gonna have to try get this guy. Get the hook out. Yeah. This is gonna be hard because it's an eel. You need to be really careful because
It's not a moray, it's just like.
it's not a moray, it's a longfin deal, but I still don't want to get bit.
Okay, calm down, buddy.
Look at that, guys.
I have to cut it, guys.
Yeah, looks like he swallowed it. But look at that thing.
That's a beautiful eel, guys.
Beauty.
Okay, guys, time to cut the line.
Don't worry, guys, it will be able to survive. I'm just going to try to cut it as short as I can. He will be able to survive, but it's just going to not be easy. There we go. We've got him out there for you. Wow.
There he goes.
That beauty. I'll re-rig my rod and hopefully catch another one.
Yep.
Oh, big one, guys. Holy, look at that.
Now that's the dad sooty.
It's the biggest gudgeon I've ever caught. Oh, we just unhooked her, guys.
You want me to
Look
release
at
it?
no, look at that beauty. Look at the beautiful colours on her. Get it right. Bye, girl. Oh. Okay, guys, we're packing up right now. We're gonna reel up the rods and maybe catch something as we're packing up. Nothing. We'll check the other rod.
No luck on this one, guys.
No luck on that one. And I think on this one either. that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.